So good evening friends, meeting again in the session of Materia Medica, and today we're going to learn one more important remedy, Lac Defloratum from fourth year syllabus. Lac Defloratum is very short explanation is given in Boericke's Materia Medica, but this remedy is very useful if you know the lac caninum properly. Because there are many common features between lac can and lac defloratum. With the help of understanding the lac groove, it's very easy to catch the lac defloratum. So typical animal features which you can see at the same time, the basically the cow's milk having a aspect of cow expresses in the lac defloratum. I have utilized it whenever I used to get a migraine and which goes from front to back. Generally, migraine starts in occipital region, occipito-cervical region, then it turns towards the vertex, then it settles either on one eye. That is the general progress of the migraine. Here, it is exactly the opposite. Here, it starts from front, it goes to the head vertex, and then it goes to the occiput. And that is the characteristic of lac defloratum, which I have considered many times in my practice, associated with very severe obstinate constipation and associated with milk intolerance. These are common features, associated features, where the state is very easily expressed. Few features of the lac group, that is the premenstrual congestion, if the females are there, very important that severe engorgement of the breasts before menses. That is one important feature. They cannot tolerate the closed spaces. That is one important feature. Again, lac caninum, lac defloratum plays very vital role. And the dreams of snakes, that is one important feature of lac remedy, is there with the lac defloratum. These are the keys with which I opens the case for the lac defloratum, and lac defloratum worked very hard. There was one lady worker, she was there with us, young, she was quite aged, around 50, 52, and she had very severe constipation with hemorrhoids. And it was not getting settled. And she told me, sir, is there any homeopathic remedy for my problem? And she said that I cannot tolerate milk in any form. That was very characteristic. Second important thing that she said, whenever I used to get this severe constipation, I used to get the headache. And generally it is one-sided, but generally it starts from front and then goes backward direction. So my remedy was clear in my mind, lac defloratum. I have given lac defloratum 30 in repeated doses for 2-3 days. And she was literally cured with lac defloratum. Thereafter, she never had the problem. The headache stopped. Her hemorrhoids got shrunk. Everything. Her constipation has completely relieved. It acted at all level in her case. Her nature had changed. The aggressiveness vanished. So, lac defloratum is an important remedy and which is very nicely explained by Allen. That's why I am going to explain the lac defloratum from Allen's keynote. There was one question, that is Justitia adhatoda, which season it is useful. There is no specific season. You can use it anytime. Generally, whenever the cough, which the characteristics of cough, which I have explained yesterday, if they are present, that you can use Justitia anytime. Lac defloratum, skimmed milk. The successful treatment of diabetes and Bright's disease with skimmed milk by Donkin was hint which led Dr. Swan to potentially improve it. Every symptom here given has verified in the cure of the sick. So, very important remedy which is explained very thoroughly and which has some role in all those disorders, diabetes, Bright's disease. And these are the disorders which are psychotubercular or psychotic disorders. Diseases with faulty and defective nutrition with reflex affections of nervous centers. So what he says, diseases with faulty and defective nutrition. So problem is at the level of defective nutrition with reflex affections of nervous centers. The patient is despondent, does not care to live, has no fear of death, but is sure is going to die. So there is no fear of death, but they are damn sure that they will going to die. This is a state, and this is because of their illnesses. They become so despondent. Despondent means nirash. American sick headache. This is the sentence, very common. This is American sick headache. These are the people who suffers for long continued time with similar types of headache. Begins in forehead, extends to occiput in the morning on rising like bryonia. Intense throbbing with nausea, vomiting, blindness, and obstinate constipation. That like epigea eris sanguinary. Aggravated by noise, aggravated by light, aggravated by motion. A typical migraine attack. Magmur cilicia. Aggravated during menses like creosote, sepia. See, it's a combination of many remedies which all those modalities you can get over there. There is great prostration associated with headache. Headache is ameliorated by pressure, by tight bandaging, like argentum nitricum, like pulsatilla, with copious and pale urine. So see, this whole state of the headache, the migraine attack, is explained in paragraph. The Allen's keynotes, whenever you are reading, always make an habit of reading those paragraph clearly, where you get directly a complete understanding of the state of the that specific entity. So if migraine is there, this is how the state gets expressed in Lac Defloratum. If once you understand Allen's in this manner, then you will understand the states quite easily and you can catch them quite easily. Globus hystericus. Now he explains the GI tract features, and this is very close to the esophageal. Globus hystericus, sensation of large ball rising from stomach to throat, causing sense of suffocation. So there is a very severe ball-like sensation in the GI tract, specifically esophageal region, going upward direction and causing a suffocation. Similar type which you can get in Asafoetida, which you can get in Rapanus, which you can get in Valeriana, even in Abies canadensis. But there was as if hard-boiled egg has been lodged over there. Globus hysterical, sensation of a large ball rising from stomach to throat, causing sense of suffocation. Asafoetida, Kalmia. Vomiting, incessant, no relation to eating. First of undigested food. So, first of undigested food, intensely acid vomiting, then of a bitter water and vomiting of pregnancy, like lactic acid, like soranum. This is one more remedy for the vomiting of pregnancy. See, there is a vomiting, there is a constipation, there is a globus hystericus associated with headache. Then you can think about the Lac Defloratum. Constipation with ineffectual urging like anacardium and noxomica. The feces are dry and hard, like bryonia and sulfur. In constipation, the stools are large, hard, great straining, lacerating the anus, painful, extorting cries. The patient has very severe, painful sensation while passing the stools, and they are very dry, hard. There is one case explained by Allen, a woman who had taken 10 to 12 enemas daily. She was habitual to the enemas. Often passed 4 to 5 weeks without evacuation, constipation of 15 years standing, cured with this Lac Defloratum. Then female genital, the menses, they are delayed. They are suppressed by putting hands in cold water like cona maculatum. Menses gets suppressed by drinking a glass of milk will promptly suppress the flow until the next period. So see, there are many reasons because of which the menses get suppressed. By putting the feet in wet like calcarea. So every remedy has its own characteristics. Great restlessness, extreme and protracted suffering from the loss of sleep. So loss of sleep is one of the important reasons. Second important thing, great restlessness like cocculus, like nitric acid, the loss of sleep causes the aggravation. Feels completely exhausted. Prostration is marked, exhaustion is marked with lac defloratum. Whether she does anything or not. Great fatigue while walking. So whenever patient walks, there is a tremendous fatigue. Sensation as if cold air was blown on her, even while covered up, as if sheet were damp. So patient is so chilly that they are feeling that there is cold air is blown on the face, even though she has been covered. Dropsy, it is very important remedy for dropsy from organic heart disease, from chronic liver complaints, far advanced albuminuria, dropsy from following intermittent fever. So there was fever and dropsy is followed by it. Obesity, fatty degeneration of fat, fatty degeneration of liver. This is very important remedy. These are pathological generals of this remedy. Albuminuria, diabetes, the fatty degeneration. These are pathological generals. It indicates that remedy has depth. It is not an acute remedy. And lac defloratum, if you go through the Allen's notes and read the lac caninum, and then you read the lac defloratum, then you will understand the depth of lac. That lac features are quite common both of them, and many rubrics lac defloratum and lac caninum comes closely. So this is what regarding the lac defloratum. In short, generally potency of choice, which I used to use it 30, 200, 1M. Very occasionally 10M I have used in practice. There is one question by Dr. Shubhangi. Family aversion to insanity borders on. Family aversion to, it's simple, family aversion to. As soon as family comes in front of them, they becomes mad. Insanity borders on. So insanity comes into phase, or whenever the family members there comes over there, the patient becomes mad. That is the family aversion to. Insanity borders on. If it never happens, the insanity, the madness comes out. Whenever they are outside, they are happy. They doesn't have any problem. But when they comes into the family, this is the problem which develops over there. So family aversion to borders, insanity borders on. Insanity is nothing but the border. Stools, constipation, every time stools are not hard, but in this specific remedy, stools are hard like bryonia, like defloratum. So that's all for today. Thank you. We'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you and good night.
Sir, one question, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, whether this lac defloratum can be used for milk allergy, there are
yeah,
certain
yeah.
persons there.
Many times. It is one of the important remedy other than Ethuja sinapium.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
So thank you and good night.
Thank you, sir. Have a good night.